This is the Sunny Airwalk trainer. And here's the box contents with everything unwrapped and all the wire ties removed. When you first open the user manual, do not be concerned. The device is pretty much already assembled. Even the screws needed, for example, these 2 screws are already in place. Even the little monitor comes with the needed AAA battery. First, we unfold the device, remove this pin. So we're going to stand up the device, open this leg up, and now insert this pin, pull down the pedals, remove the 2 bolts from the support tube. They're barely in there, so watch so they don't go flying. And now insert this in here. Use the 2 bolts to secure them. And tighten real well with the Allen key provided. So I have it nice and tight. The support pad is to lean on, and it's adjustable. You can unscrew this knob and raise or lower it. A lot of reviewers remove it altogether. They just don't use this whole bar. I'm going to try it with it at first. Remove the nut and bolt from the bottom of each handlebar. Note that the square holes of the handlebar, they face away from the foot pedals. And the top of the bolts are square shaped, so they fit right in. Now while pushing the head of the bolt in, use the wrench to tighten the nuts. If you have a ratchet, it'll go a lot faster. So again, the square cutouts face away from the foot pedals. Line up the holes. Make sure the bolts are seated so the little square ends snap in. Insert the 1 AAA battery in the monitor. Take a look at the slot on the back. We're just going to slide this on there. This pushes on there. Take a look at the caps on the back bar. See how there's multiple flat surfaces? So you can rotate the caps to ensure the exerciser is stable for your floor. So when you start using the exerciser, the monitor automatically comes on. You can reset it by holding the red button down for about 4 seconds. That shows you the time. See the little arrow flashing? Now it's pointing to calories. The total count, which is over the life of the exerciser or until you replace the battery. And that will rotate through all of the options. So you can use the red button to select the item you want to see, or you can just keep pressing it until it gets to scan and it will go all the way through. And after 4 seconds of inactivity, you'll see stop there. So you see it's counting. And it's based on this little magnet doodad. See, if I stop for a few seconds, there, the stop is there. So it pauses your workout. And again, push this for about 4 seconds, and it's going to reset. It does not reset the total count. There, I have 20 strides for the total count on the machine. Note that your storage pin can be placed right up here behind your tummy or abdominal support pad. You can fold up the exerciser just a bit. I don't know if it's worth it since it's so small anyway. You would just fold up the pedals, pull it up a little bit to remove the weight, and take out that pin. Then you take your long pin, put it through there, and then through this metal loop right there. There. And that keeps it all together. And you can lean it against your wall in your closet or wherever to store it. You can put your short pin up here so you keep track of it. So there's the machine. Very easy to put together, very easy to use. And this is a low impact way to get in some cardiovascular exercise. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.